comment, the honourable member for Courtenay-Alberni.
Mr. Speaker, we have lost thousands of lives to an unregulated toxic drug supply, Mr. Speaker. And what do the Conservatives do? They bring forward this motion, they play politics with people's lives, and they oversimplify a really important health issue. Mr. Speaker, the Health Canada created an expert task force on substance use. It included members from public health, Indigenous health, community, business, unions, universities, social service agencies, law enforcement, and public policy thinkers. And they said, we need a safer supply of substances to stop criminalizing people who use drugs. It causes more harm. And yes, we need treatment on demand, recovery, education, and prevention. And the leader of the official opposition calls them activists. The Canadian Association of Police Chiefs, Mom Stop the Harm, the Chief Coroner of British Columbia, the Chief Medical Health Officer of British Columbia, they all support a safer supply. So through you, Mr. Speaker, will the member of the Conservative Party allow his colleagues and his members to go back in their communities next week, meet with their Chief Medical Health Officer, their Chief Coroner, law enforcement? Will he allow a free vote on this motion, or is he going to continue to do more harm?
Leader of the official opposition.
Yes. There will be a free vote, Mr. Speaker. And more than just going back to our own riding communities, I've been to his community. When I got off the plane on Vancouver Island, what I found is that the people in his riding and across the island are disgusted with his policies and with the policies that he has embraced both provincially and federally. I got off the plane, and first thing, the pilot told me that he had two addicts in his backyard rummaging around trying to steal the night before so that they could pay for their drugs. Then I saw the front page of the local Nanaimo newspaper saying record overdoses. Then one of the people who was going to be at my rallies was in the hospital because he was attacked by some members of the local tent city. We have seen a massive overdose crisis because of the policies that member has embraced, both provincially with the NDP and federally with this Liberal government. We as Conservatives are the only ones who will fix it by going away from legal and free drugs towards recovery to bring our loved ones home.